Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll show you how to clean a passive or static condenser on your refrigerator. We'll explain what a condenser coil does, its location, and the importance of keeping it clean. Now here we have the back of a static condenser or passive condenser refrigerator. The purpose of that condenser coil is to get rid of excess heat from the sealed system. If it becomes plugged up with lint or pet hair, it cannot do that effectively, so it'll need to be cleaned. Now the easiest way to clean a passive or static condenser is with a vacuum cleaner, and if you find it's built up quite badly, you may want to use some type of a soft brush, and while you're vacuuming, just sweep through those coils. What we do want to make sure is we don't damage any of the tubing, which would render the refrigerator non-functional. Depending on the amount of lint or dirt that is built up on that condenser coil will dictate how often that you need to clean it. You may need to only do this every 6 months or a year. Just pull it out after 6 months, see what it looks like. If it's still clean, you can put it off for another year. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.